Hi friends, let us do a detailed analysis of stocks which we have seen, like the list of stocks which you have seen in our group today. So first one, as like it was mentioned that the RSI of Galaxy surfactants is somewhere near to 17. Look into it as the first stock in the list. So when we look at fundamentally, we can see that like sector P is 49 and TTM P is 25, so that's fine. PBB, as per sector, it is average PBB. Then let us see shareholding. There's no pledging and all. We'll see FIs and DAs. FI is slightly reduced, but it's okay. The last quarter, okay, there's not much reduction from DAs as well. So, okay, so promoter also has not reduced anything. Things look fine here. Then we'll look at the ratios anyways. Let's understand the margin ratios. Okay. Decent, I would say. ROC and return on equity, it came down in 2022. Anyways, let's see like whether it is going to go up again. Like right now we are not looking for investment. Maybe it's just for trading. So this is okay now. Let's see the valuation. Valuation is also not bad, like not undervalued. We can say that. Okay. Now let us look at the chart. Okay. So what has happened? Like it has formed nearly 1M, and it is falling down. This is a monthly chart. Okay. Like in daily chart, it was too much confusing. If you want to see the daily chart, I'll move to daily chart. So here also you can see like there was M pattern, so maybe from here till here, like since I have taken in monthly chart, it's looking little different, but its pattern is same only. So from here, where it can stop, like that's why I have drawn it till here, either here, or in case if it is reversing, an entry here somewhere. So this is how like we'll be doing the swing trading, right? As in, whenever this point like this point is broken, then like we'll see a possibility of upside. So still like where like till this trend line, then we'll see like there's a possibility. So that will be our target, and stop loss in that case will be like somewhere either here or here. So we are clear on this. If it is about 2588 or say 2600, above 2600, there is a like possibility that it can go up, or probability, whatever you call that. So that's all about Galaxy. Okay, like if it comes down, then I would be like very much interested near 2000 or around this point, like first entry and second entry, something like that. If it is falling, then we'll look at Century plywood. Okay, Century I have not taken it here, so I think like I need to add Century here. Where we'll add here only, we'll take Century. So this is Century plywood. Similar like low P, average PVB, then shareholding, SOP, FA is reducing slightly, DA is increasing that much. So like nothing much to discuss there. Let's see ratios, valuation ratios. Decently valued, not undervalued. Return ratios good. This is improving. Leverage, this is also very good. So Century plywood is looking okay. But what is happening here? Okay, so this is on downtrend and now kind of consolidation. So whenever it is breaking this point, there may be entry. Lower point, maybe the stop loss, like just below this, because there is support around this zone that is very near. Yeah, like 484, 485 levels. So this trend line breakout plus this rectangular breakout will be something interesting for us. We look at CES now, like There is a split and all, like the face value is 1 now. Company is decently valued. If you look at the financials, I would say like this is having really good fundamentals. Even valuation wise, this is not overvalued. Let us look at the shareholding. Okay, so this I have seen like this may dip, so that means like this quarter may not be good, but it's not like pretty bad. Slight dip in profitability. Let us look at the shareholding, 52%. Then slight reduction. They have increased it here. So this here shareholding looks good. Now let us look at the chart. Okay, so this is forming kind of falling wedge pattern. So looks nice. Anyways, either on breakout of this line or like whenever it is coming and taking a support here, we can attempt, and like in that case, stop loss will be pretty small, like somewhere around below this one only. Then the next one is Home First Finance. Home First, I'm not much interested. Anyways, let's see. I didn't see the chart and all. I just see the ratios here. Valuation is decently valued, not undervalued. Return ratios are okay. Liquidity is fine. Leverage is okay. Okay, this is like finance company, so that's fine. Turnover ratios we should check. Margin, it's nearly constant. EPS is increasing. Book value is increasing. Okay, not bad. We'll check the curve here if you want. As in like the chart here. Okay, I don't know whether it is forming head and shoulder. Maybe above 773 here. We may attempt, but I don't have much interest in like this kind of stocks now. Housing finance companies. Let us look at Imami now. Okay. In case of Imami, I have made a possibility of W here. Why I have made it? Similar way you can see a pattern here. As in like this is almost similar way. So let's see like whether Imami is trying to replicate that. In that case, like there is a possibility of 8 to 10% move from here. Imami, if you look at the fundamentals, PBB, everything like is similar grounds. Average PBB, low PE. Let's see the financials. Ratios, EPS is increasing. Book value is increasing. Valuation ratios, when you look at it, like it is not still not undervalued. And liquidity ratios, fine. Return ratios are good. Not bad. We may attempt a trade in Imami. As in, it's all up to you to decide, because I'm just showing you what I feel like, what is my view on this. Then this is Godrej Agro. Okay, Godrej Agro fundamentals are not bad. This is, I would say, like it is good. It's one company which I'm tracking continuously. Okay, so it looks good, as in not bad. Mainly like, here is the problem, and even I would say like it's not great, but not bad. There is improvement. So we look at the curve, as in again not curve, chart. So yeah, there was an M formation here as well, but there are supports nearby. So like maybe accumulation zone, I would say, like from here, this zone 440 to 453, which is very near. So for long term, like I won't mind accumulating this one. So that's it. I think like we have seen everything. Sex has good fundamentals, good. Imami has a chance of reversal. Godrej Agro is looking good. Home First, not much interested. Century, you have seen that like there is technically like when it breaks out, we can enter and we can try to get some decent profit on this. All depends on market conditions. Like if Nifty goes out, then like everything will go with that. So let's see, like these patterns, we can just make these patterns ready and if there is any breakout, you can decide whether to trade or like whether to track. It's all up to you. These are all my views as usual. Like not any trading recommendations. This is just what I feel about the stocks, like fundamentally and technically where it stands as per my experience. Don't take any trades simply based on that. It should be like based on your experience or like based on your financial analyst who is advising you. Only based on that take trades. Thank you.